Looking to upgrade your Acura RSX Bose sound system without the hassle of cutting wires? The amp integration harness is designed precisely for that. It connects seamlessly to your 2002 and newer RSX models, letting you install an aftermarket radio while keeping your factory amplifier intact. No guesswork, no splicing, just plug and play with confidence. I installed this harness in my RSX Type S with the Bose system, and it worked like a charm. The harness comes with 4 RCA plugs that connect directly to your aftermarket radio's preamp outputs, plus a 20-pin plug that fits your factory wiring perfectly. What I appreciated most was how it preserved the original wiring, so the sound quality stayed crisp and clear without any modifications to the car's electrical system. If you're considering an aftermarket radio but worried about compatibility with the Bose amp, this harness solves that problem. It's a straightforward solution that saves time and keeps your car's interior wiring neat. Worth a look if you want to upgrade your sound system without the headaches of cutting or rewiring. Try it when you're ready to enjoy better audio with zero compromise.